Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. As you can see by the title, I have spent £400 on Polly's new Valentine's collection. I'm actually obsessed with this Valentine's collection. They had so many nice bits, but I had to restrict myself because my basket was getting too expensive. Polly is pricey, but I do personally think from what I've tried in the past, they are worth the money. Their quality definitely speaks for themselves. They do also have like a renting system I saw on there where you can like rent the dress, which I think is absolutely amazing. If you don't want to pay full price for a dress and you're just going to wear it once, definitely try that out. They also had quite a few colour options for the dresses. I think they all came in red, black. Some of them came in like a plummy, purpley colour. Some also came in leopard print as well. As you can tell by the lip, I am wearing all red outfits. So if you was interested in any of the Valentine's collection from Polly, keep on watching. Wow, I am absolutely obsessed with this first dress. I'm so glad I put on this one first because wow, it actually comes with this like halter thing at the back. You can't actually adjust this. It's a tad bit loose, but that's fine. I can absolutely deal with that. I think the heart thing here is so beautiful. I feel like this dress is that happy medium between simple but effective. Love the different textures. This is like the normal thick, I'm not sure what material this is, and then the satin for the heart. I just think it's so beautiful and the shade of red is so perfect. I have sized up in all the dresses. I'm normally a size 4, but I got a size 6 in everything, so I'm praying everything fits. So far this fits like a glove. I love everything about this dress. The length, perfect. The fit, perfect. Everything, stunning, stunning, stunning. I'm just beyond obsessed with this. This heart here, guys, I can't cope. I just feel so happy in this dress. It is so red. I actually feel confident in dresses. Not much of a dress wearer. I don't like the way my arms are or the shoulders are in certain dresses, but I really like this strap. I feel like it really helps shorten my shoulders, if that makes sense. I feel like I have quite broad shoulders, so I feel like it's bringing it in. I absolutely love it. I have nothing bad to say about this dress. I'm glad I sized up as well. I feel super like comfortable. It's not tight. I think if it was my normal size, which is size 4, it would be a little bit tight. In this dress, I personally would size up. Let me just say, I am very glad my dad was home. Otherwise there would be zero way I would have got into this dress. As I said, I've sized up in all these dresses. I think I'm going to have to get at least 3 ribs removed to actually put this dress on. It is so beautiful. Like, I love this dress so much. I love the boned corset bodysuit because this is separate. And then I love this like satin skirt moment. This is a bodysuit that you step into, but it's attached to the skirt. So it's all attached, but it's a skirt and bodysuit. Does that make sense? Absolutely love the look of this dress. I would just size up 2 sizes. It is giving me a free boob job, so thank you, Polly. I did need one of those. I didn't actually show you the back of that other dress. Sorry about that, but it was just like, you know, just plain at the back. And then for this is what it looks like on the back of this. I don't know where I'd actually wear this, you know. The thing is, I don't actually ever do anything fancy for Valentine's. I literally get a takeaway every Valentine's. That's just what me and Adam do. And then the weekend after we'll go out for like dinner or something. But even so, I don't see myself wearing something like this to dinner. But if you live in a place where there is fancy places to go for dinner, these dresses will be really great, and I do think they're so beautiful. Or if your favourite colour is red and you've got your birthday coming up or you've got an occasion, I do think it's really nice. Like, I would get this dress. I know I said I did struggle to get in it, because I did. I really struggled to get in it. My dad almost had to like put his leg on me to zip it up. I am also on my period, so I am a bit bloated. Okay, I think this one is really cute. I like this more like mature feel. I think it's the long sleeves and the shoulders. I love the design of this. I'm just going to show you straight away because I can't hold it in. The back, don't mind the label tucked up, but how cute is this? I absolutely love this heart back. Whoever designed this, thank you. This is what the front looks like with my hair out the way. Everything about this dress, love it. I love the split in the sleeves. I think that's really nice. I like that the sleeves come over the hands for me. I don't know why I like that. You guys may think they're just too big, but I personally really like that. I like the boning here, and it's the fact that it goes deep, but it's not super like in your face plunge boobs. And same with the cut of this. It's not just like straight square. It's kind of like curved. So again, It shortens the shoulders, which for me is a big thing. I don't like my shoulders. I feel like they're so broad. So this dress is just beautiful. The quality, again, Polly is always just up there with the quality for me. I like the stitching lines that go down here and here. Again, it gives that illusion of like an hourglass figure. I feel like a really mature, like a woman in this, you know what I mean? I love the length of this as well. I think it's such a good length. All these dresses have been perfect lengths. You can get longer length on Polly. If you're looking at me and thinking these are a bit short, you can get longer length. I have just paired all these outfits, don't know if you see, with just some red heels, but you can do what you want. White heels, clear heels, whatever. You know what I love? When I record a whole segment and it's not recording. Gonna scream. Okay, what was I saying about this one? This situation is really annoying. So this is a thick bit of satin material. It's amazing, amazing quality. It feels great. The whole thing is amazing. But because of the lace, it does just keep slipping down, which I think if you are bigger chested than me, that's going to be really annoying. I'm thinking double-sided boob tape. If you just stick that here, it should stick on. I love this like red satin material. It's so beautiful. It's a really nice deep cherry colour. My mirror's here, by the way. That's why I keep looking over here. I like how this looks kind of separate, like a lace bodysuit and a skirt. This is getting really annoying having to keep hold this up. I literally just did this for a whole clip a second ago. Is this even recording this time? Yeah, we are. This is the back. Of course I got the label on because I have just got it out of the packet. The lace didn't rip at all when I was trying it on, which I was really worried about because I had to pull it over my head, which again was a bit difficult. But the zip on the side, an absolute breeze. It went up. I didn't even need to ask my dad to help me, which is great. I think this dress would look nice with like a messy updo bun. I think that would look really good. Like these bow heels as well. Yeah, I really like this. I like the design of this. I've never seen anything like this. I'm going to give this a 7 out of 10 just because it was a little bit difficult to put on over the head. And this situation, just a bit annoying. The period bloat is really coming through in this dress. Excuse me, uterus. Get back in there. But it's fine. We're all girls. We all understand. Sorry, you can see that ugly bit in the corner. You can probably already see what I'm going to say here. It's a little bit small in this area. I do think, correct me if I'm wrong, Polly have like a bigger bust thing. Like when you select dresses, you can pick regular length, longer length, bigger bust, regular bust, I think. Don't quote me on that. So of course if you do have a bigger bust, then do that, but I don't, so I didn't select that. Again, as I said earlier, get some like sticky boob tape and just stick that to the dress and it will stay up. This is the same like halter neck situation, which I really like, but mine's just a bit tangled. It came pre-clipped, so I just left it because I'm lazy. I really like this length. This is like a maxi ankle grazer for me. I think it's actually meant to be midi, but obviously I'm a bit short, so it is more of a maxi on me. But I really like this. The quality of this is so amazing. It's so thick, figure hugging, although the period bloat, don't look at that. I feel so comfortable in this dress and it just looks so nice and I feel confident in it, and that's what I found with all of the Polly dresses I've tried on so far. I've been so comfortable in there. I've been so comfortable in all of them, and the designs have just been so amazing. Like, I really like all the stuff in this collection. There was a few bits that I didn't obviously pick up that I didn't like. These are all giving very much Valentine's and cute vibes. I absolutely love them. Right, we've got one more dress and then we're done and we'll get the final verdict whether or not it's worth it. Okay, last dress. I love this so much. I think it's so adorable. One thing I want to note, so the sleeves come like this, but you can unzip them to have them more like open, which I like because this can feel a bit restrictive when it's just like this. So the fact that you can open it, but of course you can just zip it back up, I really like that. This heart detail, so flattering, so beautiful. It's not overly exposing either. It's just in the perfect place. This does also have shoulder pads, which I don't mind. I'm really iffy about shoulder pads. Do I like them? Do I not? But in this I do. Amazing quality again, super comfortable, really easy to get on. The back is just plain like this, really easy to zip up. This dress is just so flattering. I don't have a bad word to say about it at all. I feel comfortable, I feel confident. That's how you want to feel, whether you're going out Valentine's or you're having a Galentine's, or you just want to take cute pictures, which is probably what I'm going to do. I'm just going to put a dress on and take a cute picture, and then that's going to be me because I don't really do anything fun and fancy. I'm going to give this a 10 out of 10. There's no reason why it shouldn't be a 10 out of 10, so I'm going to give it a 10. I have not tried Polly in so long. I want to say like a few years, and I'm glad to see that they're keeping up the quality, they're upping their designs. My overall thoughts are this collection's great. I love every single piece. It was just sizing, so I'm glad I sized up. There was that one dress that I mentioned earlier that I would have sized up once more. I'm glad I've done this video because it can really help anyone out if you was thinking of getting this collection to know to size up. The Polly Valentines collection is very much worth it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please let me know if you want more like reviews, hauls, do you like fashion content, what do you want to see, and yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.